Hi guys, in this video I'm going to unbox my favorite Korean skincare products. Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Trisha and today I'm going to show you my favorite Korean skincare products from Hikoko. It's a Korean skincare shop here in New Zealand. This is not sponsored by the way, I just love their products and I would like to share them to you because they are great. Anyway, I spent a total of 205 New Zealand dollars, but I had $5 off because I used my Hikoko points from my previous order, so I saved a little bit in this order. Let's start unboxing! I just want to give a disclaimer guys, the amount that I spent in buying these skincare products is not a monthly expense. These products take 2 to 3 months before I have to buy a new one. I'm also going to show you my nighttime skincare routine using Korean products, so I hope you like this video. Unfortunately, the package did not come in a box, but that's okay. So these are the products that I ordered. First is this Aloe Vera Soothing Gel. I use this for my face and sometimes for my body as well. This is only $10 and I started using this 3 years ago on my face back when I only have a very simple skincare routine. I literally just wash my face and put this aloe vera gel afterwards as my moisturizer. For this next one, I'm so excited about this. I bought this Benton Pore Clear brush. It's for $20. I find it a little expensive, but it's still a lot cheaper than most expensive face brushes. I liked it immediately when I saw it because you can store it by sticking it in the bathroom wall, so it's more sanitary rather than just having lay it on something in the bathroom counter. That's a selling point for me actually. It's an air cushion type antibacterial silicone brush which is great for removing sebum and wastes deep into your skin. To use it, you have to pump in air first like this. And then you can start applying the cleanser to your skin or put it on the pore brush. As for me, I like putting it on the pore brush. It's gentle to the skin and it's also relaxing to use. I really like it. Speaking of cleanser, I use this All Clean Green Foam by Hamish. I have a dry, sensitive skin, so it's really important for me to use a low pH gentle cleanser, and this might be the best cleanser that I've used so far. It's mild to the skin, but you can really feel that it deeply cleanses your skin. The next one that I have here is the Mamon's Rose Water Toner. It's infused with extracts from 100% organic damask rose. So basically, it has rose extracts to tone your skin and prep it for the next steps in your skincare routine. I have stopped using toner for at least half a year now just because I wanted to use gentler products on my skin. I used micellar water in place of toner because I read that they're almost the same. However, I wanted to try this Mamon's Rose Toner because I've seen a lot of good reviews about it, so this is my first time trying it. So far, I'm liking it, but after not using toner for a long time, I forgot how it felt like on the face since I was just used to patting on micellar water, which is just basically water, so I was kind of surprised to feel it on my face. And it also has a very strong rose scent, which also surprised me. However, the scent goes away after a while, so it's not as bad as it seems. The next one is the COSRX 2-in-1 Poreless Power Liquid. I'm also going to try this for the first time, so I don't have anything much to say about it yet. It's a daily pore tightener and skin cooler to reduce pores and tighten the skin. I have been only using this for less than a week, so I don't feel like I've seen results yet. Maybe over time I'll start noticing some changes, and I'll keep you updated on that on my Instagram account. You can follow me there for more daily updates. Anyway, it's liquidy in texture, so I was supposed to use a toner pad and soak the pad in this liquid to put it on my face for 5 to 10 minutes, but I didn't do that, so I was basically doing the wrong thing right here. Anyway, that's what I'm going to do from now on. Next is the COSRX Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence. I don't like putting thick creams on my face, so I only chose thin layers of products. So instead of putting serum, I chose to put essence instead. This is a lightweight essence with 96.3% of snail secretion filtrate, which helps protect the skin from moisture loss while improving skin elasticity. It really helped a lot with keeping my skin hydrated since I have a very dry skin. That's why this is my second bottle of this same product already. So I've been using this for almost 6 months now. I love using this so much. I also love using this Time Revolution Night Repair Probio Ampule Cream. This is probably the most expensive in this purchase, but I can say that it is worth its value. This is also my second time buying this product, and I'm very loyal to my purchases once I really liked it. This is an anti-wrinkle and brightening night repair ampule cream with more than 50% bifida ferment lysate that provides anti-aging effect to the skin. I also bought this Perfect Repair Hair Serum Original. It has 7 different kinds of oil, which promises to increase elasticity and strength of the hair while reducing tangles for soft and smooth tresses. This is actually my 3rd or 4th bottle, I think, and I love using it on my hair to keep it moisturized, especially during cold weather conditions. This one is for $21. They also included a freebie in this package, which I love having freebies because who doesn't like free stuff? But kidding aside, these are all my favorites and new discoveries in the Korean skincare products. I hope that you guys like this video, and if you like more videos like this, please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next one. Bye!